How to book window seat in flight Qatar Airways. To book a window seat on a Qatar Airways flight, you can select your preferred seat online through the Qatar Airways website or mobile app when booking or after booking, and you might need to pay a fee depending on your fare type. Here's a more detailed breakdown. When booking your flight on QatarAirways.com or the mobile app, you'll have the option to select your seat during the booking process. Look for a select seats or preferred seat option. You'll be able to view a seat map and choose your desired window seat. If you didn't select a seat during booking, you can still do so later through the Manage Booking section on the website or app. You'll need your booking reference PNR and last name to access your booking. Look for a select seats or preferred seat option within your booking details. Qatar Airways charges for seat selection on some fare types, particularly in economy class. So that's how you can book window seat in flight Qatar Airways.